This is a step-by-step guide on how to create a provider account on findmentalhealthnowky.org, a treatment locator tool to help find mental health treatment facilities and resources. Once you're on the homepage for findhelpnowky.org, click the contact option at the top right of the page. Here you will complete a form to create an account with us, which our team will review. Once you have been given access to create a profile, you receive an email from mail@findhelpnowky.org. In this email, it will state that you've been listed as a provider, what accesses you will have as a provider, what ways to optimize your listings, a point of contact for findhelpnowky.org in order to ask questions, and at the bottom of the email, you will see a button to accept our invitation. After clicking the accept button, you will be taken to the account confirmation page on findhelpnowky.org. Here you will be asked to create a password to log in. Once you have created a password, a message will pop up that says your account was successfully updated. You will now be redirected to the login page. When redirected to the login page, you will need to log in using the username and password you created in the previous step. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to an overview of all the facilities you manage. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to an overview of all the facilities you manage. If you do not have any current facilities to manage, you will need to click on your provider name and then click Add Facility. An Add Facility card will appear where you will name the facility. When you click Save, it will take you to the facility's profile page where you can fill out all profile information. Thank you again for joining the other mental health facilities participating in findmentalhealthnowky.org. Because of you, finding mental health treatment is now quicker and easier than ever.